Hi my dear students, welcome back to Raghav Math e-learning. In today's class, I am going to discuss about the limits of the form 0 power 0 and infinity power 0. You know that the limits of the form 0 by 0 power 0 or infinity power 0 are indeterminate forms, is it? So, how to evaluate limits for such type of functions? Suppose limit extends to 0 x power x. So it takes the form 0 power 0. Is it? So to evaluate this type of limit, first we are going to reduce this indeterminate form into the form of either 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. So to reduce this into 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form, you have to take log function. So before taking log function, suppose I am taking that this limit value is L. So let L equal to limit extends to 0 x power x. Now apply log function on both sides. We get log L is equal to limit extends to 0 log x power x. Log x power x can be written as x log x. Is it? But if it is in the form of 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, we can apply L'Hospital rule. So we try to reduce in that form. So limit extends to 0. I can take it as log x by 1 by x. Is it? Now observe this. It is taking the form infinity by infinity. Is it? So you can apply L'Hospital rule. Then what we get, you see, limit extends to 0. So here log x, derivative of log x. So you know that in L'Hospital rule, we take derivatives to both numerator and denominator separately. Is it? So derivative of log x, it is 1 by x. Derivative of 1 by x, it is minus 1 by x square. Is it? Now this is what limit extends to 0 minus x. Is it? Now you take x 0, what we got? We got 0. So this is equal to what? Log L, right? We know that 0 is log 1, is it? So what is L value? L value is 1, is it? So limit of this function is what? That is 1. See, moving to next. Limit extends to 0 cot x power sin x, is it? So here also it is taking the form infinity power 0. So indeterminate form. How to evaluate this limit? So if you convert this into either 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form, we can apply L'Hospital rule and we can get the limit value. So again I am trying to reduce this into either 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form. But here it is like infinity power 0 form. So to get our required forms, you have to take log function. Is it? So before taking log function, I am taking this value is L. So limit of this function is L I have taken. So that is L equal to limit extends to 0 cot x power sin x. Now you apply log function on both sides. So log L is limit extends to 0 log cot x power sin x. So you can write that as sin x log cot x. Is it? Now we want the form either 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. I can take it as log cot x by this sin x can be written as by cosecant x. Is it? Yes. So by cosecant x. Now it takes the form infinity by infinity. So we can apply L'Hospital rule. Okay. So apply L'Hospital rule. Limit extends to 0. Derivative of numerator, what is it? It is like log x, derivative is 1 by cot x into minus cosecant square x by derivative of cosecant x, that is minus cosecant x into cot x. So what we got here, once you observe, that is minus get cancelled and 1 cosecant x is cancelled. So we left with what? Limit extends to 0. So in numerator we have 1 cosecant x by in denominator we have cot square x. Is it? Now can I take it as limit x tends to 0, this 1 by cot square x is what? Tan square x. By cosecant x can be written as 1 by sin x. So it is sin x. Is it? Now you can take limit x tends to 0, tan x by sin x into tan x. Is it? So here you can take this as limit x tends to 0. We have a result. Limit x tends to 0, tan x by x is 1. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is 1. Is it? So I can write this as tan x by x by sin x by x into what? Into tan x. So this becomes 1 and that is tan 0, 0. So what we got here? We got log L is equal to 0. So can I write 0 as log 1? Yes. So what is the limit value? 1. So limit of this function is 1. Coming to third one, limit x tends to 0, 1 by x power tan x. So here it takes the form infinity power 0. So again indeterminate form. Is it? So what we do? Same story. Again we reduce this into either 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form. Is it? So to get those forms you have to apply log function. So here what we do? We take this is L, limit x tends to 0, 1 by x power tan x value I have taken that as L. Okay. Now apply log function on both sides. So log L is equal to limit x tends to 0. You can take it as tan x into log 1 by x. Is it? Now here you see that limit x tends to 0, tan x into log 1 by x. So you know that log m by n. So log 1 by x can be written as log 1 minus log x. What is log 1? It is 0. So minus log x. So minus log x. Now our target is reducing it into 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. So I can write it as minus log x by tan x can be written as by cot x. Is it? So by cot x. Clear? Now what we do? We apply L'Hospital rule. Is it? So if you apply L'Hospital rule, you can get minus limit x tends to 0, derivative of log x, 1 by x by derivative of cot x minus cosecant square x. Is it? So you can take it as here minus into this minus become plus and we left with limit x tends to 0, sin square x by x. Is it? Now I can write this as limit x tends to 0, sin x by x into sin x. Is it? Now you know that the standard result limit x tends to 0, sin x by x. What? That is 1. So here this is 1 and sin 0 is 0. So totally we got 0. So here what we got? We got L equal to log L is equal to 0. Is it? So is it log 1? Yes. So we got L value what? L value 1. So limit of this function is 1. Moving to next, limit x tends to 0, log sin x base x. So here you can write it as limit x tends to 0, log sin x by log x. Is it? Now it takes the form infinity by infinity. So we can apply L'Hospital rule. Is it? So apply L'Hospital rule. Limit x tends to 0. Yes. Limit x tends to 0. This derivative of numerator, that is what? 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x, that is cos x, by derivative of denominator, that is 1 by x. Is it? So now what we got, you see, that is limit x tends to 0, x by sin x into cos x. Is it? So we know that limit x tends to 0, x by sin x value is 1. Is it? So we got 1 into cos 0, that is also 1. So limit of this is what? 1. My dear students, this is the way to evaluate the limits of the form 0 power 0 or infinity power 0. I think you understood this concept. Please share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to get latest notifications. Thank you.